We're up here now in what's called El Mirador de Salento. This is an overlook over here in the town of Salento in Colombia. Rocking the Panasonic Lumix LX. Yeah, it's an old compact camera, but it meets all my needs right now for this trip. Pictures or video do not do this place justice. You have to come experience it for yourself. It's really amazing. This is a little trail from the Mirador, and we're going up even further. Alright, this is the second level. This is the side that's overlooking the town of Salento. So after that workout of climbing all the way to the top, you can have another workout all the way at the top. What goes up must come down. All this we gotta walk down now. Alright, made it down the stairs. Yeah, once you get to the bottom, you'll find a lot of local shops down here. A lot of cool hidden nooks and crannies with art, local art, coffee houses. Alright, so I made it to the plaza of Salento, center of Salento. Mountain views, nice cool breeze.